We take oath that we shall take part in MKD School Sports Meet year 2024-2025 in fair competition. And with the desire to participate in the true spirit of sportsmanship. We will do this for the honor of sports. We hereby promise to live up to the high tradition of Jai Hind.
Our principal Patil sir from pharmacy, Principal Chaudhary sir from junior college, Principal Ram sir, Principal Jinesh sir, and all dear students. Actually, you have made our morning very bright today, and I would like to wish all the best for this competition, annual sport day of our school. Sports is a very important aspect in our life. It keeps our health good and fit. Participated for the sports activities which has been organized by our school, and also the teachers should encourage our students to take the participation in this annual sports day. At the same time, students every day also they should have the sports in their life along with your studies. So on this occasion, you have called me for this annual day of your school, annual sports day of your school. So I would like to thank Jinesh sir for calling us here and making our morning very bright today. Once again, wish you all the best, all the participants for this annual sports day, and thank you very much.
Respected chief guests, teachers, and dear students. First of all, I would like to thank Jinesh sir for organizing very nice and good event. I would thank Jinesh sir for encouraging students to play sports. I would just like to request students that play sports with sportsman spirit and show your encouragement because mental health and physical health both are very important. So focus on your studies as well as sports, and don't argue with referee because referee's decision will be the final decision, and we should always respect the decision. Thank you so much.
Honorable respected Shubhamdana, honorable respected Kunal Bhaiya, respected Dalvi sir, Chaudhary sir, Ram sir, Jinesh sir, all the teachers and the students. I really overwhelmed the grand welcome of this annual sports day welcome. You people had so nicely arranged this event, and really we got in flashback that how was the days when we are in schools. And definitely all the credit go to the faculty, the Jinesh sir and his team, that with encouragement the people had arranged all these event and arrange all types of the sports. And it is important that we should have to participate, and we should have to encourage all the students also. Soon there will be the cultural programs. Soon we will be get together again with all the other streams, and that will be the enjoyable moments for all of us. I really thanks to Shubhanda Kunal Bhaiya sir that they always provided the support as well as ground notification to all to take all the activities in campus, and it is very necessary for the extracurricular activities as well as the for the mental healthness of the all the students as well as the faculty. Thank you. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
And now it's time to immerse ourselves in a mesmerizing performance that our students have been working on tirelessly. To start off, we have a vibrant and energetic dance performance by our students. So put your hands together for the group dance performance.
करिए नस नस मेरी खोले कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध पड़िए दूध करिए या करिए हर कोई तो चल सिद्ध पड़िए दूध करिए या करिए
वेलकम टू माय अकेडमी। स्पोर्ट्स कोटे से अगर किसी कॉलेज में एडमिशन चाहिए उसके लिए जगह नहीं है मेरे पास। मेडल दिखा के नौकरी चाहिए उसके लिए भी कोई जगह नहीं है मेरे पास। पासपोर्ट लेके अगर दुनिया घूमना है ना आउट, अभी यहां से निकल जाओ। डोंट वेस्ट माय टाइम। मुझे वो चैंपियन चाहिए जो जीत के अलावा और कुछ नहीं सोचता है। तो बताओ कौन है जो ये सोचता है कि वो वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 बैडमिंटन प्लेयर हो सकता है? वेरी गुड।
चलना पूछ के चलना मरना जीना मर के जीना मांगने वाली चीज नहीं है मौका उसका जिसने जीना गिरना उठना उठ के चलना चढ़ जा अंबर जीना जीना याद रहे ये शर्त सफर की पीछे मुड़ के देख कभी ना जीत का जुनून है तो हार सोचना क्यों जब जिंदगी है एक ही दो बार सोचना क्यों मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं मुझे आसमान बनना है।
पहली बार दंगल में कुश्ती लड़ी।
जीतने को जंग आ गया तो बंग वारे इसके ढंग देखो हनुमान भक्त लोहे से भी सख्त रोक दे जो वक्त देखो ललकार तेरी तो बाहें पतवार कदम है तेरे हाहाकार तेरी नस नस लोह मार तू है बस तू भाग मिलना बस तू भाग मिलना भाग मिलना भाग 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 मिलना तेरा तो बिस्तर है मैदान उड़ना धरती तेरी शान तेरे सिरहाने हैं चट्टान पहले।
बॉक्सिंग में कितनी तरह के पंचेस होते हैं? चलो बोलो।
पंचेस तो मौके पे तय होते हैं, किसको पीट रही हूँ क्यों पीट रही हूँ उस हिसाब से।
स्टेप क्रॉस हुड अपरकट, सिर्फ यही 4 पंचेस होते हैं बॉक्सिंग में। बॉक्सिंग का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि जो सामने है उसे धो दो। संतोष मास्टर, पहले डिफेंड करना फिर अटैक करना। चल दिखा अपनी टेक्निक।
Get ready to fight! Get ready to fight! Get ready to fight! Get ready to fight! की हर पल जीने की ख्वाहिश रखो, तुम में वो बात है हम सभी साथ है, दिखला भी दो देश के नाम को ऊंचाई पर ले चलो। खेलो इंडिया, जी भर के खेलो, खेलो इंडिया, दुनिया को जीतो।
On your marks, get set. On your mark, set, go.
For this event to all assembled here, I would like to thank our chief guest who ended this the function with us the inspiring thought. I would like to thank our dear principal, our sport teachers, staff members and students for made this function a grand success. I would like to call names of my colleagues who worked real hard for this event, and they are Prashant sir, G sir, Nilesh sir and Harshal sir. Thank you for your hard work. Once again I thank you and one all present here. Thank you. Dhanyavad.